Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we're going to where is located. And here with me on the top of the Kubri, upside. This is the Bahar. Video also. Okay. Okay guys, later we will update you when we reach there in Bahar. Okay. Ano, in the Kubra. Guys, this is the what do you call this one? This is the port of maritime port, huh?
Yes.
Okay. This is a maritime port near to Saudi Aramco. This Saudi Aramco, sa?
Yeah.
Guys, this is the Saudi Aramco. It's,
See?
yeah, it says that there is some bomb here before or no? No, huh?
No.
Not this location.
No, not this location.
Okay, guys, don't worry that bomb because you know Saudi is mashallah is strong.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. But they are you know they are very calm and relaxed. This is our roadway before guys. We are going to work in my old company before. So this is the maybe it will drop, no problem. Okay, this is the naval base camp that we are talking before with. We are here near to our destination. There's a lot of containers. Make it so much good to make it more better. As I said. Here a lot of trees, meaning there is a water also here because the trees are getting alive. Oh my. So, where is the water here? And also is why? Too much trees. Alwani. Orange of Alwani. Peaceful place, huh?
Peaceful,
Yes.
quiet. Huh?
Yeah, like this, peaceful, like this. Eh? So, you forgot what is this area again? Maybe we'll come back here.
I don't
Find out that one in the
if
Google,
there's
huh?
a name for the, yeah.
In the
But
Google.
you
there
find
is-
it with
Google map.
yeah, Google Map.
Okay. There's the shortcut way. Maybe we can find our old company here, sir. It's my old company, like Hanshin. Al Jassen.
Sure.
We're in the forest now. Thomas trees here. And as blocks. These concrete blocks and trees in the form of the refrigerator and what is this? Yeah, refrigerator and freezer. All kinds of things here also. There's a lot of things that can be usable, sir.
Yeah.
That you can recycle also. Continuous recording, no problem. How many hours your camera is continuous recording?
Depends.
Maybe 8 hours like this?
Yeah, depends if you just record the video or just
Yeah, just continue without charging. Just so recording video like 5 hours like this, 8 hours can be or not possible.
I didn't try before.
Yeah, because I
Right.
tried one with this battery is very good, you know.
Let's see next time if
Yeah.
it's gonna
Continuous recording like
or not.
yeah 4 hours and 5 hours, no problem. And after it's getting empty, the battery, it's automatically save also.
Really?
Yes, automatically save. Very good, sir.
It's good setting, yeah. Good setting.
Because I didn't wala, very good this area. There is our person with our company before here. Ah yeah, probably from that side. No, no need this one, no need the maps, huh? Oh, you know,
It's
still
just,
need. You know this road, huh?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Same, yeah.
yeah, same area only. It was very near there. Oh. And this is the naval base. Traffic lights. Guys, this is a lot of. There's a lot of small shop here before. We remember that one. And also there is a. What is that? Market. This market. There is one supermarket here. You remember here, this side. One supermarket before here. This side.
Yeah.